Today we'll do an exercise that helps many students find the core of their sound. We'll sing a simple slide on a perfect fifth using the sound NG. NG is the sound at the end of the word sing. It's a lot like a hum. You can sing this exercise with your mouth open or closed, but I recommend getting in the habit of unhinging the jaw. Take a deep, delicious inhale each time. Imagine breathing in a wonderful scent like cookies baking or your favorite flower. You'll notice that I move my hand or my arm as I sing. Experiment with your own ways to add movement to the sound. That helps almost everyone I've ever worked with. So you can walk around the room, you can move your hand, you can move your entire arm or both arms, but adding physical movement in your body actually adds some momentum and some forward direction to the sound of singing. You'll also notice that I take my time to get from the top pitch to the bottom pitch. Remember those old Roadrunner cartoons? Imagine that you're making this sound effect of the coyote falling off the cliff. So hit every little micro pitch between the top and the bottom. Alright, I'm going to stop talking about it and we're just going to go through it. So you'll hear me play the piano, make the sound, and then I'll give space for you to make the sound yourself. You're welcome to go higher or start lower than I did, or to use that same sound on a different sequence of pitches. For example, some people who don't really like the high to low do really well with a do, re, mi, re, do. Whatever you do, try to connect the sound, remember to breathe and save your inhale, and I'll see you again soon.